In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly change the name of a workspace in Microsoft Loop. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Click on the official site and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your Microsoft Loop dashboard, where all your workspaces are listed. Next, navigate to the workspace you want to rename. Hover over it or click on it to open its menu options. Look for a three-dot icon or settings option next to the workspace name. Click on it to reveal additional actions and select Rename Workspace from the list. Now, type in your desired new name for the workspace. Double check the spelling and capitalization to make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear. Once done, press Enter or click Save to confirm the change. Your workspace will now display the new name across all your Loop pages. And that's it. Renaming a workspace in Microsoft Loop is straightforward and helps keep your projects organized and easy to navigate. Remember, updating workspace names can help you and your team quickly identify and manage projects, especially if you're juggling multiple workspaces. Thanks for watching and happy looping!